Hi there, this is How to Play Minesweeper. You've probably seen this game a lot, and the way the game works is that there's a lot of bombs hidden underneath these squares, and your goal is to touch and uncover everything but the bomb. You do it by touching the squares, and I'm going to show you how this works. It's really simple. So let's go ahead, and the only way to really to start is just by taking the risk of touching one. Hopefully it's not a bomb. So I'll hit that one, and as you can see, it's revealed a bunch of squares. Some have numbers, some don't. Now, the ones that have nothing mean that there's no bombs nearby. But where you see the ones or the twos, this means that's the number of bombs that are next to that space. So look at the two here. There's actually one, two, three, four, five squares around it, and it's trying to say that two of them are bombs. And each of these are trying to say that one of them have bombs. So the way we would have to think about this is if there's one, two, three, four, five bombs touching this one, which of these is the bomb and which of them isn't? Because you want to tap one. Well, I'm going to actually guess that it's probably not this one. Now, if you look here, you can see in the lower, if you look here in the lower right, you can see that there's a one here, a one here, and a one here, and there's a one here. So what it really means is one of these has a bomb, and from the looks of it, it would have to be this one on the left. So I'm going to tap the one on the right just to clear it. Now let's look at this here. It's saying that there's one bomb. Well, it's got to be that one. But if you look at these one above it, since there's only one bomb, that's got to be the bomb. So that means that this has got to be clear, this has got to be clear, and this has got to be clear. And if you look here, this one, it must be referring to that one bomb. So it must mean that that's clear. And since this is only showing one bomb, it means that this and this must be clear too. And this is really how the game is played. You just have to study the numbers to realize what's clear and what's not clear. So if that's one, I know that this one and this one are clear. And I know that this one and that one are clear. And let's keep working our way here. There's a 1 here, so it must be that bomb, must be right there. So let's put, that means that's clear. And because that's a bomb, all of these must be clear. Great. Now there's a 1 there, and we already, so we know that if there's a bomb there, that's clear, and that's clear. And we found the 2 bombs there. So we've found all the bombs on the bottom so far. We don't want to touch them, not even by accident, or we lose the game. So we know that there's a bomb here. So therefore, because there's a 1 here, this and this must be clear. So far, so good. Now we're down to the final things. Now there's a 3 here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bombs touching it. So a lot of the bombs are right there. So we got to think for a second. We know there's 2 bombs. So we know that this is a bomb and this is a bomb. So we know that's clear. And since there's 2 bombs here, we know these are both, means that that is fine. So it looks like we're really kind of close to the end here, but we still have one more step to go that will tell me what it is. I'm going to guess it's, so I won. I found 10 bombs. Hooray. I'm going to put the link in where you can get this below. Great game. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.